So this is the blender. This is ninja. Not that ninja. This is the blender.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. I'm in a different kitchen. Yes, I'm in my sister's kitchen. So she got few stuff I'd like to show you all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So she's doing like a kitchen, I call it renovation, whatever. Got a lot of appliances and I want to show you guys. Hope you enjoy the vlog, and I hope you guys are hearing me because sometimes this microphone can mess up. Alright, the first thing we're going to be checking out here is I'm going to be checking out is this. This is electric oven. Okay, like you guys know that she's a chef now, so she needs all these appliances to make all those our delicious appetizing food. I can't wait to show you guys what she's going to be using the oven to do. Anyway, so that's the first thing she got. Then she got a few other stuff which I'll be showing you guys as well. As you guys can see her in the background, she's cooking as a chef. So this plate fall from hand there. I got that. She got a set of plates. Oh, I love the color of the plate. Okay, this has 4 bowls, 4 sides, and 4 dinner plates. Okay, I love the color. That is blue. Like I really love the color of the plates. Alright guys, so this is what the plate looks like. Let's open it. It's not air, baby. What is it? You want to sit down? Give me a knife. So let's bring out one to do sample Efe. Ooh, this is it, guys. Like it's giving vibe. Okay, it has like it's giving me this like I think it has three colors or 2 colors. So like blue mixed with a little bit of black, that kind of vibe. This is how it looks like inside. The plate is really fine. I love this, and it's glass and it will last them long. Okay, so I'm gonna be keeping this. I will be putting. I'm asking her, maybe later I'll be asking her how much each of all these items are worth, then I'll be putting it on the screen. What is cabin sets? Okay. Sorry guys, I'm using my front camera, so it's a little bit back. This is a cabin set. So 6 jar sets, 4 pieces of container sets, can sets, 2 oil bottle sets, 2 bamboo rank. So this is how it looks like. Oh, I can't wait for her to set this up. It's going to give the kitchen a different look. I can't wait for her to set this up. It's going to give the kitchen a really different look, guys. Then she got this smoothie jar. She got 2 of the smoothie jar. So making smoothie or juice in the morning. Okay, she got these 2. She got these 2. I love that one is blue and one is green. Cute. Then another thing she got is a baking pan for bread. Oh, this is going to be handy because she loves baking a lot. So this is going to be handy. This is going to be very handy for her. Then she got set of spoon, 16 cutleries. I love the color is red. Okay, I love the color of the spoon. Let's see, let's see. Oh, spoon is nice. It's really, really nice and strong. The spoon is strong. And wooden spoon. She loves wooden spoon a lot. Ooh, nice. What's inside here? Okay, this fragrance, this thing. Mm. Oh, this smells nice. Anyway, these are wooden spoons she got. Palette empty. So the next thing she got, oh, this is for cupcake. Ah, we're gonna be eating a lot of goodies. Eh? This is for cupcake. This is nice. It's good for the home. And this is a masher for mashed potato. And this spoon, what do they call this itself? To grab a picker. Oh, okay, if I get ram this year, I'll come and collect this knife. So this is best kitchen knife ever. If I get ram, I can come collect this one. To use and break my ram this year. And this is another wooden spoon she got. And this is another this thing, what they call it, for cupcake. For cupcake. Must have in the house. These are must have things you need in your kitchen right now. This thing here is a dish hanger to hang dishes. Good. This one looks like dish dryer to dry dishes. It's really, really good. The next item we have here, guys, this is to hang what?
Your microwave.
My micro help blah blah blah. High to hang the microwave, like a storage. Okay, she's gonna use it to hang the microwave, the oven, those kind of stuff. So when she has redecorated the whole kitchen, I'll come and give you guys a full tour. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is I think it's the blender. That should be the last thing, right? The blender, right? Yes. And some other cups. So in here we have this cute cup. Oh, the cups have this pom. I used to like them. Ah, I like this one too. Which one is up there? Okay. Okay, the polka dots now and this line. I like the fact that you bought polka dots. This line, like it's corresponding. You understand? It's corresponding.
Or
See? The cups are corresponding. Open the last one. So this goes like this. Let me show you guys. This goes like this, like this. So yeah, you are getting where we are going. I just want to finish talking. If not, I just will talk for nonsense. But sometimes this mic will not catch on time if I'm using this my phone. So you guys are understanding what I see. They all corresponded. Like, if I get the vibe right, that is the vibe she wants in her kitchen. Alright, so the last thing is the blender, the mighty blender. That is what we came to. You did not buy this thing that you put on the wall to hang. So this is the blender. This is Ninja. You know that Ninja do? This is the blender, Ninja blender. If you know Ninja blender, let me know in the comment section. So she got Ninja blender.
This is a new one,
Yes, that's the one. This is Ninja blender. It's powerful. I'm going to show you guys the whole set of the kitchen when we are done. But right now we're just arranging things. So when she's totally done, I'll show you guys what it is. So guys, please keep on watching. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. These are the things you need in your kitchen for 2026. It's a new year, new things. If you know, you know. Alright, I'll show you guys in